Hi, welcome to Paper Tales by Kunali, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple flower but with a comb. So let's begin. For that you'll require glue, a pair of tweezers, some combs and strips of paper. So let's begin. This is a fairly simple style but which looks really pretty. So for that what I've done first for the petals is I have stuck two strips of paper together. One is dark red and one is light peach, and what we'll do is we'll loop them around the comb. So for starters, what you do is you apply a little bit of glue on the tip, just a little. If it's excess, just wipe it off. Loop it, press it down, stick it for a couple of seconds and use your comb. Now if you notice, for this flower I'm going to be using a wider toothed comb. That helps keep our flowers a little bigger. So it depends on you completely what kind of comb you use. I'll show you the difference later on. So you loop it at the center of the wider tooth comb and you start looping it just round and round. So this is how it will look. Keep it aside for now and we'll work on the center of the petal. So what we do is I have a contrasting color over here, a nice blue. Now because the center is going to be in the middle, right, a small thing, a small splash of color, what we'll do is we'll cut the strip in half. So the strip is almost A4 size. So what I've done is I've just cut it in half and we'll use the half part. We'll do the same thing once again for this and we'll wrap it like this. Now what we do is instead of going wider, we're going to stay at one place and we're going to be going wider only on one side. And now we're going to stick it with a black strip of paper. Do it 3 times. So if you do it 3 times for one bud, you have to do it 3 times for all the others. So keep that in mind, please. That's twice. And another time. Apply glue and press it down properly, and that's how it will look. So we have this here now, and what we'll do is we'll hold this like this, apply a bit of glue over here, stick this over here like this and pull these two sides together down. Sit down to give it some structure, and over here make it pointy. You can also keep it as it was earlier, so that will look good too. So this is how your petal is going to look. Now what we'll make is we'll make a bud for this. For the bud, what I've done is I've taken 3 strips of paper together. I've taken a light green, a brown and a yellow, and once again In the same way, we are going to loop it around the comb. Apply a bit of glue at the tip, loop it, stick it properly. Use the wider toothed comb. So this is a nice and wide strip. Now what we do is press it down properly and take your tweezer, put it in one corner and you start rolling it towards yourself. Make sure that the tension is good, don't loosen it, and this is how it will come together. While at the end you just pull it in like so. So it creates a nice swirl, as you can see. Now what we'll do, apply a strip of black and roll it along with this on the outside layer. So we are forming a nice contrasting colored layer around the swirl. Pull it tight. This is an added layer so that you know for a fact that it's not going to open up. Keep on pulling it nice and tight. Apply a bit of glue at the edge and stick it. So that creates a nice bud for us. Beautiful colors, as you can see. Now what we do is we'll stick it on this. So apply glue on one side and see that all your petals are proper and press it down. Press it down nice and tight, and you can leave it aside to dry. Now what we'll do is to make the flower into a 3D flower. What I do is I put it in the palm of my hand and I press it in with the bud with my thumb, and you press it in nice for about 10 seconds. See, it's already done, and press in a bit more so that it sticks properly. The leaves, the petals stick to the bud properly, and you just put it down and give it a twirl. And I hope you like this video. These are how I make my 3D flowers. And if you like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.